Yo, what up guys, Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. That being said guys, huge Saitama Inu video for you today. Huge announcement there guys, they are restructuring and rebranding Saitama. Right? This is going to be huge guys. You guys know how bullish I am on Saitama and Saitama, so this is huge for us, and I can't wait to see the new polished version. Now let's keep going here. Okay, X Saitama AMA highlights. All use cases we created accelerate burn. We call our ecosystem a hyperburn machine. Okay, so again, let me say that one more time. All of the use cases we created accelerate burn. We call our ecosystem the hyperburn machine. Okay, guys, keyword hyperburn. The more you burn a supply of a cryptocurrency, okay, the more you burn, you're decreasing the supply. Now, if you decrease the supply and demand increases, it's just simple supply and demand, guys. I mean, you're gonna get a huge price influx, right? So it's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time, right? You end up. Time burns coins, in which case, who knows, Bitcoin maybe decided it wants to jump back to its new all-time high, in which case I believe that strong altcoins with good tokenomics that use stuff like hyperburn are going to do so well, and it's just something that I'm definitely taking notes on and keeping tabs on, right guys? Let's keep going here. Okay, Saitama AMA highlights. Staking NFT is very hottest to you. We have dynamic staking feature on Saitama Pro with amazing APR percentages. So another bomb dropped, guys. They just keep dropping all these huge announcements. Let's go, guys. So let's keep going here. I mean, but wait. I don't think you guys may or may not understand the significance of staking here, right? With amazing APR, staking is so underutilized at this point in time, guys. Like, the market cap for staking is so low, and I think it's going to be very huge in the future. So it's just one of those use cases that I love to see. So yeah, we're just stoked for that, right? So let's go, Saitama. Okay, X Saitama highlights. AMA highlights. We have been funding the current growth and expansion out of pocket. However, we retain a small revenue through microtransactions within Saitama through our NFT platform, as well through our card and crypto banking system that we will launch soon through affiliated banks and financial institutions. This will support long-term growth and developments, right? So just in case people were wondering how they're going to fund Saitama in the future, this is how, guys. This is how, right? And I think it's just a solid plan, and I'm just going to continue to keep covering Saitama as much as possible, right guys? So make sure you guys are supporting your boy Crypto Ether, right, for covering Saitama, and especially if you guys are invested into it. Show some love, show some support. Those comments and those likes really do help your boy Crypto Ether out a ton. And just know that I'm on the back end over here, guys, trying to give projects like Saitama the best coverage possible, right? So that being said, hope you enjoyed the video today. It's Crypto Ether, and I'm out of here, guys. Peace.